Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda: today, in this training video, I will tell you about sequence check process and its usage in DMS. Objective. The objective of this training is to understand following. What is in sequence check process? What is the purpose of running it? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, user must have superuser account and system administrator role with alt organization access. Sequence check process. After installing the document management system, DMS modules, the users may sometimes be unable to upload documents to the DMS web interface. In such cases, running a sequence check process is required. To run the sequence check in the Onfinity system, the user should follow below-mentioned steps. Log in into the system. Open Sequence Check from the menu. Click OK button. Let's go through these steps one by one through training video. Explain settings. Video. Please log into system using superuser account and system administrator role with Hartipri. Organization. Once logged in, please open Sequence Check from menu. The user clicks OK button to run the sequence check process. On completion of the sequence check, the middle section will show the fixed items, if any. After that, close all the windows and forms, clear the cache, and refresh the link. Now, the user can upload the document into the DMS. Thank you.